Right, so here we are back in the Filterhouse. Fingers still in my bandage. Come off today and then I can get the stitches out next Monday, so hopefully it's healing nice. My brother-in-law did come and get these all wired back up for me. So they're all good to go now. I've just got to position this light. Obviously get this back in. And then this pump controller is going to go on this board. This is going to move across so that it can plug in, and the same with this should be able to stay where it is. So I'll pop you down here. Right, so I'll get on with that and I'll stop waffling. Oh, as well, I did buy myself some of these for future reference, so great bit of kit. So if you're going to be cutting wires, please don't use scissors. I'll give you an example of just how easy it is when you use the wire cutters. So let me just put you here. So snip that off, put your wire into your wire cutters, just like that. Pull that back in there, just like that. I'll do it so you can see. A little snip. Done. And then if you want to do these ones as well, just put it back on. All done, just like that. No cut fingers, no nothing. So that's how you strip a wire. Not like that, because you go through your finger, like I did. So, I'm sure you all know, but I just thought I'd let you see. There we go. Light back on. Yes, that's the light back on there now. What I'll do with this wire, obviously when there's claddings on, that'll just tuck up and away. Next job, this shelf, get it moved. Get this off here. has to vibrate so much. Absolutely annoying. So that's that done. I mean, this still makes a racket, but I can get to the plug. It's plugged in. Just check my UV will reach when I come to do that. Yeah, I've got plenty of wire on there. Yeah, plenty of wire on that. Right, so I've removed my little plaque from the end, my little round one, and I've had suggestions of Gwen to put it in the middle there. The problem is then when that grows I'm not going to see it, but I'm going to take a chance. So the pocket's down here. I don't know if that's centre. Don't know how that looks. I think that looks alright there. Yeah, I'll go with that. Right, okay, just want to get a few little bits up in here. So what I've done, so give this a little bit of a paint just around the sockets, and I've gone along the top there. So what I want to show you this. So let's put you down here. Oh no, let's leave you where we was. So then when this piece goes on here, well, not this piece but one like it, that's what my finish is going to be like. So that'll just be like that on there. So then what I want to do now, obviously they're too small, I've got bigger sheets there for that. What I want to do now, so we've got them little pretty white hooks, which is there, and then that's where I'm going to rest my cups, just like that. So I'll get a few along there, a few of what I've got, and then I'll get back to you. So this is how they're going to go. There you go, so there's just a few little cups along the tops there. Some of the collections I've got. I did have them along there, but the shell's not really the best, so I've moved that. So next video I'm going to do, I'm going to try and get this PVC clad and sealing done, and then that'll be done then. Yeah. Thanks very much for your time. If you are new here and you're into koi stuff and koi ponds, just please consider subscribing. It's absolutely free, and I hope to see you all soon.